Hello. In this video, we will understand guest experience management module. This GEMS module is backbone of this entire guest feedback system. What does GEMS do? So it deals with happy and unhappy guests, bond closely with happy guests and win back unhappy guests, make team responsible for solving guest satisfaction problems. So how we set up GEMS? First of all, we create an admin ID. Then this admin user needs to create login ID for all the head of the departments. Then admin user needs to map all the available services in our guest feedback form with the HODs. Now how it works? The moment guest submits the feedback, it analyzes guest feedback and provides action point for staff, making them responsible for guest experience. It generates tickets and assign to concerned head of the department internally to resolve root cause for negative marked services. It helps hotels general manager to communicate with both happy and unhappy guests based on their feedback with the help of predefined letter formats available in this system. It helps winning back the unhappy guests also. It keeps guest feedback history forever in the system for future guest preferences. So you can access guest case history with their feedbacks. Once this GEMS is set up, now HODs can log in and they can close their tickets whenever they receive any negative feedbacks. So what happens whenever we receive any negative feedback? GEMS module analyzes that feedback form and generates tickets for all the HOTs wherever guest has given negative marking. So those HODs receive an email alert in their inbox from QMS side that okay, following guests have given you negative ratings, please close your cases. So all those HODs can log in QMS system and they can close their tickets. Here you can see in this screen there are several tickets are visible. Again, you can see their status is open, guest name is given, question is given wherever guest has given the negative marking, date and all. Now to close this case, you just need to click on this particular icon where this pencil is given. It will open this kind of window where all HODs can give their remarks and submit. The moment HODs close their cases, it will start showing closed against all the services, all or we can say all the tickets available. Now, once all the tickets and complaints are closed from the HODs with their remarks and findings, now it's general manager's turn to reply to the guest with the predefined letter formats. So, to reply to any guest, general manager needs to log in with his login ID and password. Then he go to this report all responses. Here you can see that reply button is given against every guest name. So the moment the moment general manager clicks on this link, reply, it opens this kind of a screen where in this drop down where it says choose email format, general manager can select any predefined letter from format from this drop down and just click on apply button. Then system will automatically generate this letter which you are able to see on your screen. Then just click on send to guest button. The moment GM click on this button send to guest, system will automatically send an email to guest with the predefined letter format. So here we say that when general manager respond to guest with the help of predefined letter templates, we say that okay, we are closing the loop, because closing this loop is very much important. There should be some communication from hotel sides with the guest, especially in those cases where guest had complaints. In case of promoters also, where we have received very good and happy feedbacks, So in those cases, we recommend that we must send a thank you note to the guest. So the thank you note is also available in this drop down list. So by default, we provide two letters. One is for apology, wherever we have complaints. The second one is thanks letter, wherever guest has given very good feedback. So the moment guest receive that letter, or we say that we have communicated with the guest in case of complaints, so we say okay that we are we have closed that loop. So this process is very important, and this module is really a very backbone of this system. Thank you.